Hangad. Wait, hangad. Hangad. Good. Yeah. Okay. One more. Here. Okay. Very good. Another one. Here. Oh, very good. Another one. Yeah, I see. Another one. Here. Good. No, just wait. Okay. What else? Okay na ba? Oh, say na. Oh, dili na, no. Dili na mahangad. Ano ka ba? Another one? Okay. It's here. No more hangad, no more. Just stay there. Okay? Here. How about your feet? May I have your right? Right. Good. Very good. Right. Oh, okay. May I have your left one? Left one. This one. This is your left. Very good. Very good. That's enough? It's enough? Hoy, mana? Is that enough? Enough na? Okay. Say hi there. Hi! Look at that. Hi! Okay, let's have another dryer. Hangad. Up. Very good. Left foot. Sweat. How about the right one? Very good. Kili. Kumahangat pa talaga. How about on your back? Turn around. Here. Okay. No? Right foot talaga. Okay na? Isa na. Isa na. That's enough. Beautiful, I can see. She will wear dog collar.